In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a Notion calendar step by step so you can collaborate with teammates, friends, or clients without confusion. Notion calendars are perfect for planning content, managing projects, or organizing personal schedules, and sharing them the right way makes everything run smoothly. If you're new here and find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Notion, head to the sidebar on the left and click on New Page. This is where your calendar will live. You can name this page something clear, like Content Calendar or Team Schedule, so anyone you share it with immediately understands what it's for. After creating the new page, click anywhere on the page to bring up the block options. Now type /calendar or simply select Notion Calendar from the available options if you see it suggested. Click on Notion Calendar and Notion will instantly create a calendar view for you. At this point, you can start adding events, tasks, or scheduled items by clicking directly on dates. You can customize each entry with titles, descriptions, reminders, and even links to other Notion pages. Take a moment to make sure your calendar is set up the way you want before sharing it. This ensures that anyone who accesses it sees a clean and organized layout. Now, let's talk about sharing the Notion calendar. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the Share button. A panel will open where you can invite people by email or generate a shareable link. If you're working with a team, enter their email addresses and choose the level of access you want to give them. You can allow full editing access, commenting access, or view-only access depending on how much control you want them to have. If you want to share the calendar publicly, toggle on the Share to Web option. This will generate a public link that anyone can view. You can also control whether viewers can duplicate the calendar into their own Notion workspace. This is especially useful if you're sharing a template or a planning system with others. Before sending out the link, double-check the permissions to make sure everything is set correctly. Once you're happy, copy the link and share it wherever you need, whether that's email, Slack, or another messaging platform. And just like that, your Notion calendar is shared and ready to be used collaboratively. As a final tip, remember that you can always come back to the share settings later to change permissions or remove access if needed. This gives you full control over who can see or edit your calendar at any time. And that's how to share a Notion calendar quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.